Here's a story exploring the eerie concept of a Humanzee, blending history, ethics, and science fiction, the forgotten experiment. Dr. Victor Langley stood before the glass observation window, his hands trembling. Behind the reinforced glass, Subject X stared back at him. The creature was neither fully human nor fully chimpanzee. It had a lean, muscular frame, a slightly elongated skull, and eyes that held an intelligence that disturbed the soul. The project had begun in 1967 under the name Project Prometheus, buried deep within a Cold War-era military facility in an undisclosed location. The objective? To create a hybrid species that could serve as the perfect soldier, stronger, faster, and immune to the ethical dilemmas of war. Langley, a geneticist with a troubled conscience, had joined the team thinking the experiment was meant to understand human evolution. But the truth was far darker. The government-funded project had been blending human DNA with that of chimpanzees, seeking the perfect genetic balance. After dozens of failures, Subject X was born. It grew faster than a human child, developing advanced motor skills by the age of 2. By 5, it could outperform Olympic athletes in strength and agility. But it was the intelligence that unsettled Langley the most. At age 7, Subject X spoke its first word.
Why?
The scientists had debated whether it was merely mimicking human speech, but over time, X learned language at an alarming rate. By 10, it could read, write, and even ask complex philosophical questions. It understood it was different, and it was angry. One night, alarms blared through the facility. Subject X had vanished. The reinforced glass in its cell lay shattered, and security footage showed only shadows flickering through the halls, too fast for cameras to track. Guards found Dr. Langley's notes in his lab, detailing his doubts, his guilt. One entry stood out: X understands too much. We have not created a beast, we have created something new, something neither human nor animal, and we have caged it. It will not forgive us. 3 guards were found unconscious in the corridors, their weapons untouched. Subject X had chosen not to kill. Instead, it had fled into the forest beyond the facility. No one ever found it. Decades later, whispers spread through classified circles. Hunters, spotting a tall, shadowy figure in the deep woods, moving unlike any known animal. Some claimed to hear eerie, almost human sounds in the darkness. The government denied everything, but Dr. Langley's last recorded words, scrawled hastily in the margins of his journal, still haunt those who stumble upon them. We sought to play God.